So, diara ang atong avocado tea. Here is our avocado tea. 1 cup of avocado tea early in the morning in an empty stomach is good for liver cleansing. Okay? Mga tagdahog avocado guys ay atong nagaon. So, tulo ka dahon sa avocado, butangan og 3 cups of water. So, ako lang yung daghanon, but this water is already boiled na. Na-boiled na siya. So, ako lang butangan og ininit kay para dali na siya. So, I have read an article about an avocado leaf, which is good daw, which is good for our liver, good and cleansing for the liver. So,